Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade aloe gel. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need a fresh, mature aloe vera leaf, ideally at least 8 inches in length from a healthy plant. Also, grab a sharp knife, a cutting board, a spoon, and a clean bowl. For the next steps, have a blender ready, an airtight container for storage, and consider adding vitamin E oil or a few drops of your favorite essential oil for extra benefits. Now, let's get to the heart of the aloe leaf. Begin by cutting the base of your chosen leaf and stand it upright in a cup for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the yellow aloe, a natural latex, to drain out, which can be irritating to some skin types. Next, carefully trim off the spiky edges along both sides of the leaf, then slice the leaf lengthwise down the middle. Finally, use a spoon to gently scoop out all the clear, pure gel. With your pure aloe gel collected, it's time to blend it into a smooth consistency. Transfer all the scooped gel into a blender and process it until it becomes a uniform, slightly frothy liquid. To extend its shelf life, consider adding a natural preservative. For every 1/4 cup of gel, you can add about 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin C powder or a few drops of vitamin E oil. Blend it briefly one more time to ensure everything is well combined. Your homemade aloe gel is now ready. Carefully pour the blended gel into a clean, airtight container, like a small glass jar. It's crucial to store your fresh aloe gel in the refrigerator to maintain its potency and prevent spoilage. When refrigerated, your gel should stay fresh and effective for up to 1 week. You can apply this wonderful gel directly to your skin to soothe sunburns, provide natural moisture, or calm minor skin irritations. Enjoy your natural remedy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.